promised to get me money for hair, so I'll make my hair, and that I need to buy my hair. Let's get that.
He does do. See, money no be problem. See, as I dey follow na the yarn, so money no be problem. CBN they run short of money now because of the kind of money they come out for the bank every day. You don't understand?
Yes. But I need the money. Let me take care of myself.
I
will look good for you.
I will give you, relax. I need the yarn, nothing dey happen.
That's my baby.
I love you.
I love you.
As you kiss me, my brain box just shift, come out. How far now, babe?
I'm fine.
You say your mama not well that time, abi?
Yeah.
No worry. In case even if she dies, a day, a gallant, we'll do the burial, nothing dey happen.
I trust you. So, how far for the club? Are we still going?
We go. No level, we go.
We're going to club tonight. Oh God, I can't wait.
Sorry, Anthony. The money for lights we will share. You never pay your own. So now you make I can't remind you. Say you never pay.
Baby, Muna not relax. With na normal issue, na small challenge. You understand?
What's in the talk? What's wrong with you?
No. Not put mouth. See, Titus man tell you, at the verse once in a year, you don't understand. And I really see that at the verse. But anything go make me verse for Amatan, me and you go get big issue. You dey hear me? So you don't grow wings. No, you grow wings now. They can't answer me. Where you see me say I deal with some share ladies, and your brain boss it don't expire.
You dey verse for rainy season. If you like, make you verse for Harmattan period. You no concern me. Which kind of nonsense talk be that one? You dey verse. Make you verse now. Wetin concern me? You know how many times we done the verse? We done the verse before your own verse can start. What are you telling me? You dey before child ladies, not be only child ladies. Tell me say you dey before breast milk. Don't tell me say these people na child lady. Which kind of nonsense child lady be that one? Come pay money for light, I beg. If you work benga buraka abo, stay here today. And we gonna.
Okay, what's your own problem?
No, baby, help me answer. No, Titus, see, wait, man, they tell you. You go try understand, say me and you will not be the same birth dates because you senior me, yes. You go first me die, yes. You don't marry, yes. You see me, I be young boy. I not get anybody that they think of. What you supposed to do? They think now. You supposed to do? They follow me. Say, I can't take out. I beg you. If they help me, they save small money. In case if you die, you this one are the money will take contribute to. Exactly. Or you go tell me say, I can't take out. My wife is still born. Oh, if he lost the period, whether na for market square, you know say, when I feel lost period anywhere. So not be me where be young boy and I get plenty life to live. And the breast milk I need them. After all, yeah, I need to suck the breast milk. Make a man focus. So I don't know where your issue come from. Oh.
Iwe. Iwe na-ewe mo, iwe na-ewe mo. Igwola aliligi, nyaki iwe je ewe mo, iwe. You're a stupid boy.
Thank you.
The place where you come out from is better. Me will go Njabadifa. Pack plenty concrete. That place go close.
How far Titus say I be worried, but not cause the easy but they cut.
You be worry waiting. You be worry goat. You are a worry goat. You don't get sense. Before I see you for this compound with this your local motor where you buy. Any day where you start another engine oka. This is a motor. You call them give the bag no. You carry these two support. They carry iron sponge for head. They walk around. I don't go blame one at all. I don't go blame one. When I don't get milk, one on one sock. Say as in life for the meal, on one kill and make him die. You go die, say listen. You go die. You open my the time, you say you be worry boy. Make I fear you. You know where I come from. You know who I be.
Baby, I can't keep taking this.
No, baby, man, I just that for motor. I go handle and it's not small challenge. Where you come and tell your life history, as you not get shame, so my help you shame. You know, say as I help you the shame. At this age now, Seth, you're not supposed to stay student lodge.
I know.
Wait, your village people, they plan you come.
Chai.
You supposed you say you get wife. How far? You're not supposed to the day. You're supposed to do the think of say, and this portion of land now you get shame. I jump shame for you.
Anyway, from the look of things, I can see. I was thinking that the Henry is within this neighborhood. But although no man and the Henry is far away from Wadi, we can ask now what it is. But those people who do you that thing, I go use prayer spoil them for you. You must get yourself.
My brother, no worry.
You must get yourself.
No. Not you get me. I know say that's why you talk. Yes, not true. Now worry night the juju take come, not before here.
I
know, my brother. I know say I'm not.
God, you are wonderful.
Correct.
He's confessing.
Of course.
You I got top again now.
Good to see see your life.
I don't see him.
Yes.
Nobody.
Yes.
You must be delivered.
Wait first, man.
Yes, you must be delivered.
Wait, sir.
Come down.
Yes.
Come down. You never try with it. Even.
Okay, yes. Wait, I take traffic. I'll call you back.
No, wait till they do. Come down.
Wait, this one is running crazy.
For my motor, they don't start borrowing money.
They must come down.
What is wrong with this man?
Wait. They must come. You go pay our rent. Now what do you want? Hey, Ami. How are you? Welcome. Chairman, welcome.
Yeah, how are you?
Amaka. You're always smiling. You're welcome. No, Chairman, welcome.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
This fine man, who he be?
Agatai.
Eh?
My fiancé be this.
Fiancé?
Yes.
Yay. Fiancé give back Kasa. The one we bring you back yesterday, Nko. You also introduce him as your fiancé. Eh? What did they do, I?
What
Pepper enter your eye.
What is this man talking about? Somebody brought you back yesterday.
No, nobody brought. He's not saying what that, you know. He's not talking about.
Hey, Mr. Man, what are you talking about?
Don't describe me as Mr. Man.
Okay.
Somebody brought her back yesterday. She also introduced that person as her fiancé. Go fiancé.
Yesterday.
Fia.
Or today.
Come back now. Hotel can ebru. School binga. Fiancé can.
What is this man talking about?
Oh, Ogata told me. Me wait inside. I was ready.
Somebody brought you here yesterday, according to him. Tell me the truth. Who the person is?
No. Ogata told us.
No face. Your face look familiar.
Which familiar?
Now you.
What happened? See my face.
I said it.
Say what you say.
You were the person that brought Choma back last week.
Waka dear. Who Choma?
Me Waka. Maybe you buy Indomie from my shop. I can no go.
Hey, Mr. Man, don't talk nonsense. I didn't bring any Choma here, whatever. What are you talking about? Hey, excuse me. Shut the trap. I don't bring anybody here yesterday.
Who is Choma?
Hey, don't ask me that. I don't know who Choma is.
You know who Choma is?
I'm just hearing this for the first time. Who is Choma? I don't know.
I saw you. You came to my shop. You buy. You say you don't have ego. You change ego. You got ego.
Who yesterday?
This motor, I see. I'm seeing your.
Don't listen to this man. Who is this man?
See your plate number now. 1444. Who you gonna deceive?
Yes, she's my plate number. So what?
Maybe you carry this motor. Me, chap later where they in front of your motor. I see her.
Oh, you brought Choma back to this house.
Excuse me.
So you know who Choma is?
Excuse me, man. Excuse me. Please stop that. He just said that somebody brought you back yesterday. And now he's talking about Choma. And you don't want to finish that talk.
That is not what you're talking about. I'm talking about Choma. Choma, my lodge mate.
I don't know who is Choma.
What do you mean you don't know who Choma is?
He said I have a sister who bears the name Choma. Maybe she's talking about my sister.
The Choma I saw in your right view was fair. She's fair. And she looks almost like my lodge mate. Actually says your sister.
No, stop that.
You know who Choma is?
I don't know who Choma is, except my sister. I don't know what this man is talking about. Besides, the one who brought you back yesterday, that is the issue we are talking about. Don't change the topic.
You brought Choma. You brought Choma.
Damn you! I don't know who Choma is, except my sister. Okay? Who brought you back yesterday?
Nobody brought me back. Nobody brought me back. You know who Choma is. Nobody brought me back.
You are very stupid to tell me that. Somebody brought you back yesterday, and this man just confirmed it in your presence now, and you are denying it. Damn you!
See,
damn you!
Baby, we can resolve this matter. Babe, yes. Nobody brought me home. Give me that. Yes! Baby! Hi! Babe.
That's the way. Just like
yeah.
What are you there here? The open mouth for? Huh? What is wrong with you? Eh? You come here constant. Now work you come and you come here come the laugh. You leave the work where you go do constant here. The laugh with this thing where I don't know what in be name.
Oga, if I slap you, see my thing, take am easy. Wait, make I close my eye when I see better thing, Abi.
You see better thing.
But I joke with the joke.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Don't bomb the joke. You the joke. You leave work where you come out. You leave rag there where you come out to rag. You come here, come the joke with what Osisha what baby and again. How much you give you when make you the laugh loud like that? Nonsense. If you want to appreciate, I make you come out here talk. Go watch it.
Baby, give me your number, just in case, you know?
Make him give you
your number.
Make him give you her number. What is her number called? Okay, that warrant go. What I get go. Mortuary where they go put you if you die. Their pumps, how many boys will go lift up your coffee? My way the charge maybe a bop tag after 3 years. Thunder, they go to break up your quag. I get legal and quake a bop eluala. Useless boy. Can't collect number. Because you give her 500 naira, you won't make him give you number.
If I rush you, If I rush you.
You go rush who?
If I rush you.
You. Rush me. What you the frozen? What you the konya rush? Where they don't rush you already, rush ya go there. Rush this go yi. Kiga rush him. I pity you. Mfok la logo. You make come no kiga moto wago. What you come ga go yogo. From here now, take you to my house. Stupid bingo. Ngwa, ewu. Move. Move. Come on, get this. If you don't move now, dog there here.